day, another video, another opportunity to see this gorgeous face. Yes, honestly, Mona Lisa has nothing on me at home. I am giving modern Mona Lisa. Okay, the hair, the girl, the top, everything is giving. Anyways, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Before you guys judge me, like, woo, why only warm at your big age? What? Listen, the milk is not as warm. It's like about lukewarm, because you're a conflict. Plus, also, if you put milk before your cereal, you are the problem. You are the problem. It has to be cereal, then milk, not the other way around. Being a girl is tough already, but being a girl with a lot of hair, being a hairy girl, oh my goodness, another level. Like my pubic hair grows so fast. It grows so fast. This week, the next day is already so grown. So just bear with the girl. ops. They were talking about that wind. That wind was the real op, because why am I on a cooperator? The content we had an idea, the execution, Mara. The wind said no, not on my watch. But nonetheless, we had fun. So at the end of the day, we got the W.
You can bank on it. You can put 100 grand on it. Anything I said, I stamp on it. In a private plane, I lamp on it. Lele oh, then they call me. Twist my fingers up on a bang on him. Lele oh, yeah. Tobalo ko macho, yeah. Tobalo mako macho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro ka choro. And if a boy feel macho, make him lick red like a tomato. If him not dead, then he come matos. No go fambo.
You guys might think, ooh, but home girl, drama ekana. Marion, next up dramatic, because I didn't see the wave. Like when it got to me, yo, I'm dying. Meti anka, Marayo. I have a fear of water. I love water, Mara. I have a fear of huge water bodies, because from where I was standing, if Metia Akantola, I'm gone. I am gone. So please.
As that day comes, as I go, God watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Time went by so fast. We had the best time there. My cousin and I always spent about half the day there, because when we got back, we were so tired. We were so tired. Mara, we had such a good time. Plus, there weren't as many people. Honestly, I think it was us and like 2 more people was in that whole area. So nice.
You know you're national.
Metsi alapisa, metsi akhatata. Whoa! So when we came back, we had to cook. Because we are independent girlies, we had to cook. So yeah. That meat, I am confessing, I just put the extra meat for content. I did not eat the other meat. enjoyed the video. Yes, so if you made it this far, you already know what to do. This is a standard procedure. At this point, it's a standard procedure. Just leave a cute little heart in the comment section. And I'll see you very soon.